Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel, the home of no nonsense barbecue videos. Today we're starting a new series called the Steak Sessions. The first steak we're going to be cooking is this. This is a Jurassic Steak. This is from Barlow's Butchers here in Nottinghamshire. I'll put a link down below explaining what a Jurassic Steak is. We're going to be cooking on the Blackstone 22-inch griddle. So the first thing to do is to get our Blackstone lit. I'm going to chuck on a cast iron pan because we're making a black pepper sauce. Just going to come in and put some veg oil down on the plancha, and also we're going to put some into our little cast iron pan. Just going to spread this around, give it an even coating, and then we're going to put a knob of butter in our pan to start melting. So this is our Jurassic Steak, and all we're going to do is simply season salt and ground black pepper. Onto the plancha and let it sizzle. Second steak, repeat the process. All the time our butter is melting for our sauce. Bit more black pepper, and we'll get that one on as well. Starting to sizzle up on the steak, and all we're going to do is add one finely chopped shallot to the pan and flip the steaks. Once we flip the steaks, we're going to add some butter to these steaks as well. Knob of butter for each steak, let it melt down, and then we're going to add a sprig of rosemary to each and baste those steaks. To our sauce, a good tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper. We'll stir the pepper in and give it a cook for about a minute and a half. Then to that we're going to add 3 tablespoons of brandy. We're going to cook this brandy off till all the alcohol's gone. Just taking the temperatures of our steaks, maybe at 54 degrees C, so we're going to pull them off. And next we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and 180 ml of good quality beef stock. Stir this in, bring this up to a nice simmer, and then we're going to add our cream. 120 ml of double cream or heavy cream. Stir this in, cook it down and reduce it by half. That's our first cook in the steak series, a Jurassic Steak. All I've got to do now is cut into it and see how we've done. So I'd say that's perfect, medium rare. What we're going to do now is add some of our pepper sauce. So this is our first taste of a Jurassic Steak. It is moist, a little bit tender than I thought it was going to be. That pepper sauce is absolutely banging.